Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of 9th, lines and angles. Exercise 6.3. In exercise 6.3, 6 questions are given. Question number 1 is given. In figure, if the QP and the QP and RQ are produced, then forming two angles whose measure is 135 and 110. Find angle PRQ. In this you want to get the angle this. It is the figure given. So QP produced here, so it is exterior angle, and RQ produced to T, it is the exterior angle 110. So by the linear pair QPR, this angle plus this angle will be 180 or not. By the QS is a straight line. Exterior angle. So what will you get? By the exterior angle, you are getting the QPR. QPR, this plus this or this plus this, by linear pair also you can get. Here QPR plus RQP. Here you are getting QPR plus RPS. This is straight line, linear pair. What is it? Is exterior angle. So what are you getting here? Linear pair. QPR plus RPS is equal to 180 degree. So by the linear pair you are getting, and this is your 45 degree. You are getting it is a 45 degree. Now this 45 degree and this is exterior angle. Now angle QPR plus angle QRP is equal to angle PQT, this angle. Why PQT? Because exterior angle property. Exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angle. Here you linear pair apply, or here one place by linear pair, one by exterior angle. So QPR is given 45 because you have calculated here. PQT is 110 degree. So this angle will be equal to 110 minus 45, 65 degree. Very simple. These two by linear pair you get, and this plus this is equal to this. So this minus this will give you the R. That's all. Second question is given. In triangle, it is a figure given in the book. In this figure, XYZ is a triangle. X is 62. It is full angle 54. You want to get this angle, and OI and OZ are the angle bisector. OI and OZ angle bisector. OI is the angle bisector. So you will get OZY. This OZY you want, and YOZ you want. This and this you want in calculation. So first of all you find out this angle. What is this? OYZ is half of XYZ. Why? Because of OI is the bisector. So half of 54 is 27 degree. In big triangle, first of all you find out this full. This full angle XZY. XZY is 180 minus X this plus this full angle. 62 plus 54 by ASPT. You are getting it is 64. Which angle? XZY is 64. Then OZY, which is your answer, it is your one answer which you want to get here, OZY. OZY is equal to half of XZY. Why? Because OZ is the bisector. This line is the bisector of full angle. So half of 64 will be 32. Now you are getting two angles, this and this of this small triangle. Apply ASPT. In YOZ, angle YOZ plus this is equal to 180. I have written all the names. YOZ, YZ, OZY. YOZ plus 27 plus 32 is 180 y by ASPT. Then you are getting YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Two answers you want, one this and 132. OZY is there. Next, third question is given. Third question you are seeing, it is the figure given. AB is parallel to D and two angles are given. You want to find out what is DCE, this angle. What you want? This angle you want to find out. DCE. Very simple. AB is parallel to D. That's why this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. DEC is equal to BAE because of alternate interior angle. Where is the AE is transversal? AE is transversal. AE transversal, then alternate interior angle, it is 35 degree. Now in this triangle ASPT, you are applying and DCE is equal to 92. Very simple. Okay. Fourth question is given. In triangle, two lines are intersecting and these angles are given. Figure is given this side. In the triangle, here you are seeing, it is the figure. These two lines intersecting and three angles are given. You want to get this angle. Here you see then the figure. RS and PQ intersect at T. You want to get angle SQT. It is not parallel, otherwise alternate interior angle you can get. But first of all, in this triangle PRT you find out this angle by ASPT. By ASPT I am getting P plus R plus R PTR equal to 180, PTR equal to 90 plus 45, subtract from here you get the 45. It is your 45 degree. So what is this? It is also 45 by vertically opposite angle, by VOA. If this is 45, then in triangle STQ, again ASPT. STQ, you will apply again ASPT and get the sum of three angles SQT. SQT equal to 180 minus this plus this. 75 plus 45. 180 minus 120, your answer is SQT is equal to 60 degree. Question number 5 is given in this. Question number 5 is given. Here a line is given. PQ is parallel to ST and PS is perpendicular to PQ. Find X and Y, two angles are given. Here you see. It is given this line is parallel to this line. It means this full angle will be equal to this full angle or not. This full angle is equal to this. PQ is parallel to ST and QR is a transversal. Then angle PQR equal to QRT. PQR equal to QRT, alternate interior angles. PQR is X plus 28. So X is equal to 37. Now X you are getting, Y you are getting, it is 90 degree. PQS triangle. X plus Y plus 90, 180 by ASPT. Why it is 90? Because PS is perpendicular to PQ. That's why it is 90. So X, Y equal to 180 minus 127, 153. It is your answer, X and Y. Last question is given. In this figure, triangle PQR, the bisector of angle Q and angle PRS, QR is produced to as an exterior angle, meet at T. You want to prove this angle is half of this. QTR is equal to half of angle QPR you want to prove. So given and to prove I have written, and then I have drawn the figure. First of all, you see in triangle PQR, PRS is a exterior angle. Exterior angle property, PRS is equal to angle QPR plus PQR. This angle plus this angle, PRS is equal to QPR plus PQR by exterior angle property. But if you half of the both side, half multiply both side, half multiplying both sides. Then what will you get? Half into this into half into this plus half into this. Half PRS is equal to TQR. TRS. Here half PRS is equal to, this is PRS, this half will be TRS because QT is the and RT is the bisectors. So here this half will be this and this half will be half QPR. You will not get here anything, but at the place of half PQR, angle TQR, this angle you will get. Why you will get this angle? Because it is QT is the bisector of full angle. So at the place of TQR, TRS and TQR, TRS minus TQR, transposing left from right to left, is equal to QPR. Now this you see where? It is an angle of triangle TQR. TRS is exterior angle of, TRS is the exterior angle of TQR. Like this you can see. TRS and TQR. TRS is equal to TQR plus QTR. TRS is equal to TQR plus QTR. This plus this angle is equal to this angle. So at the place of this you can write this minus this. Here I have written TRS is equal to QTR plus TQR. So TRS minus TQR. TRS minus TQR is equal to angle QTR. So at the place of this you can write the angle QTR, and hence proved QTR is half QTR. This angle is equal to half of this angle. Hence proved. That's all. This chapter is over. Revise and complete your exercises. Thanks.